Now, TVJ Sports has confirmed that at least one overseas-based reggae boy and a local coach have tested positive for the COVID-19 virus, while two other players are being monitored by the team doctors in Saudi Arabia. The two latest COVID-19 positive cases bring the number to 3 in Jamaica's traveling delegation to the Middle East for two friendly internationals against the host nation on November 14 and 17. Now, the JFF, in a release a short while ago, revealed that all 4 who had been in quarantine for 48 hours with the full group have now been isolated. The local governing body further stated that COVID-19 protocols set by the Saudi Arabia Football Federation are expected to be put into effect. The protocols dictate that all confirmed cases will be isolated in the same hotel on a different wing or section away from the bulk of the rest of the team. The first player who had returned the positive result is still in England. The names of the affected players and coach are not being released by the JFF.